Yo, what's up, guys? My name is DOORDASH Tips. Today we're gonna do an experiment. We're gonna do this one for science.
Is the Earth flat?
We have video from space of the rotating spherical Earth. The Earth is round.
Thank you for joining us on this episode.
So today we're gonna put a monster tip on DOORDASH. See how fast the order arrives, huh? We're gonna keep this video around 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna put a big fat tip, see how fast they arrive. Today is Sunday, 11 a.m. All right, let's go. So I placed my order at 11:13 a.m. and I'm expecting this delivery to be here roughly 20 minutes. I do live really close to this Thai restaurant. I think it's about 1 or 2 miles away, maybe 1.5. So I'm guessing it's gonna be 20 minutes. And I put a $10 tip for my subtotal was like 38. $10 tip for the driver. And if the driver is willing to go on camera, we'll hook him up with another cash tip. Let's go. Hi, fam. I just went to brush my teeth, and just 5 minutes after I placed my order, we have a Dasher Mercedes.
Damn, I'm smoking weed in my Mercedes. Car. Hold up, these niggas bro.
I doubt she drives a Mercedes, but her name is Mercedes, so let's see if Mercedes gonna talk to us on camera. If not, it's cool. If she does, we'll hook up with another cash tip, huh? All right, looking forward to see you, Mercedes. Let's go. All right. 11:34 a.m. 20 minutes after I placed my order. We got our pad thai and Thai iced tea, fam. The Dasher doesn't want to be on camera. It's cool. So I put a $10 tip. My subtotal was 38. And it arrives in 20 minutes. I live 1.5 miles away. 20 minutes for my pad thai. You got the pad thai shrimp, mango sticky rice, and Thai iced tea. See what happens when you put a fat tip on it? Tip your Dasher, fam. Tip your Uber Eats driver. Have a nice day. Alright, fam. So 30 minutes later, we got a pad thai and mango sticky rice. I live 1.5 miles away. I think she has a double stack, so she was in a hurry to get to her next order, you know. Alrighty, same thing like I got last time. Ain't nothing new. $34 is the subtotal. I think the delivery fee is like $8, and then $10 tip on the app. I was gonna tip her $20 if she wanted to be on camera, but yeah, she didn't want to be on camera. So yummy, yummy! We got the mango sticky rice, baby. Same thing like last time. And we got the shrimp pad thai. Ooh wee! Yes, sir. All right, let me go get my chopsticks. Best sauce ever. All right, squeeze some lime in there. Yeah, it's still hot. It's not like piping hot, but it's hot, you know. I'm guessing she doesn't use a food bag, but it's all good. All right, get some napkins. Yeah, last time I did Uber Eats, my order arrived piping hot, but it's been like 7 minutes. I've been struggling to get this TikTok ring light to work. Yeah, I suck at technology. All right, squeeze some sauce in. Yeah, we try to stretch this video to 10 minutes, huh? You guys, some of you guys watch my second channel, Food Addict, right? Yeah. About 10% of my people watch Food Addict. All right, so, you know, that's what happens when you put a fat tip. It arrives in 30 minutes, fam. I'm guessing she got a double stack. She got to hustle to her next delivery, you know. So I chose a priority delivery, and so that's $2 for priority. Yummy, yummy. Hi, fam. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. And please remember to tip your Dasher and Uber Eats driver. Thank you. Have a nice day.